guys, do you have extra optimizations for the Meteor bundler related to Atmosphere packages?
So in Meteor 3.4, we have not only acted on the Rspack integration, we also worked on improving the Meteor bundler itself so that we can get more gains, specifically for making small bundlers on the host environments. When you use Meteor build on your project, we have added the possibility on the Atmosphere packages, those packages built in Meteor or you use in your projects, whether custom one or community ones, you can add the dev only option on those packages configuration in the package.js file. If you add that entire package will be removed from the production build. The same happens with another option we have enabled, that is npm dev depends, where you can specify those npm packages within those Atmosphere packages that are dev dependencies. They will be completely removed from the build. And after deploying, for instance, the Galaxy cloud application, we have been, the host machine drop the size of the application by 42% more or less. So this is definitely something that you are going to note as well in your Galaxy environment or the host that you are using. But we have, as a community, the opportunity to benefit this more. And you can review those community packages and add these dev only or dev depends configurations to get further optimizations for everyone.